I have reviewed a ton of different speakers and product from the company called Tribit, and I love their portable speakers. I had an email, just a generic marketing email, that they have a new speaker coming out. So I reached out to my contact and she agreed to send me a brand new unit, even though this product is not out yet, for me to test so I can share my thoughts and opinions with you. I'm not being paid to review this, so I just want to share that disclaimer real quick with you guys. I believe this is going to come out in the second week of April, so I don't know when you guys are going to be watching this, but looks like first week of April, from April 1 possibly to April 7, they're going to have a campaign early bird special, 40% off. Normally they sell for 120 bucks, so 40% off of 120. It's going to be a big chunk you guys can take advantage of. But before we get to the video, my name is Sean. This is my tech channel where I do reviews, unboxing, and tutorials. So if you enjoy content like this, you may want to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and by the way, change your bell notification to all, because that's the only way you're not going to miss my future content. And if you think you get some value out of watching this video and you like the content, please remember to give this video a like. That's the biggest help you can give me for the YouTube algorithms. Like I said, I have tested a ton of their products. I've tested their earbuds, their over-the-ear headphones, and this portable water-resistant Bluetooth speaker, which I absolutely love. I continue to recommend this speaker as the best portable waterproof or water-resistant speaker you can get under $50. So I'm super excited. This is the Pro line of the same speaker, so I think I'm gonna be blown away with what this speaker can offer. So the unboxing experience is very simple. In the box, you get a thank you card, you get an owner's manual, you get your USB Type A to USB Type C for charging, and you get the device itself. Looks like they won the Red Dot Award in 2021 for the design of the speaker. So as you can see, it's very slim, it's very chic, simple. You have the controls on the top, and you have your charging port in the back that is sealed with this little flap right here. So we're gonna go ahead, connect, and check out the speaker. And then also for reference, I wanna do a sound comparison with their mini version of the same speaker as well. So this is a 2.1 subwoofer system, which means you have a subwoofer and you have two drivers. It is IP67 water resistant, and it has their enhanced X-Bass technology. Basically, you can get massive bass out of these tiny speakers, and you have less than 0.5% distortion at maximum volume. It has a Bluetooth 5.0, and it uses a QCC Bluetooth chip. And if you get two of these things, you can actually pair them, use them as stereo speakers for right and left for double the volume and audio sound. This has a 3-inch subwoofer, and the two drivers are 40 millimeters. The subwoofer is a 25 watt driver, and the two speakers are 7.5 each. So total, this is a 50 watt speaker. The Bluetooth range is about 100 feet, but obviously depending on how many obstacles you have, that may be a little bit different. The battery, it's a total of 10,000 milliamp battery. It's basically two 5,000 milliamp batteries that you have inside. If you're using a 10 watt charger, it takes about 7 hours to charge this 10,000 milliamp battery. And they're estimating the battery will last 24 hours playtime. With that out of the way, let's go ahead, connect, and play some audio. So when you turn on for the first time, it automatically gets to the pairing mode. I'm gonna play some audio from artlist.io that I have the subscription, so I don't get any copyright strike. This is at 50% volume. This sounds so good. I'm gonna go to 75%. And to 100%. So first impression on that track, I don't know what that was. You definitely feel the bass a lot more when you are below 70-75% audio. And as you get higher, looks like in order to stop it from distortion, I felt that the balance between the highs and lows changed a little bit. Let me try to play something else. I just saw there's an X bass. Maybe that's gonna give me the missing bass I'm so desiring. So let's try to check it out. Shoot at the Oculus occasion. They sleeping only 96. I can do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes. Floor so heavenly. Most of my friends and a friend of me. They're trying to bring out the beast. I'm batting 1,000, my game is elite. I'm running around in the streets. They're trying to catch up, but they still can't compete. I thought they got in my sleep. He told me keep going, cause you got the lead. Count it up, all the brodies came through, then we added up. They was asking me questions, I had it up. I've been running with God, I just leveled up. They won't speak to my face, got that antidote. They've been putting me on like I'm one of those. I can see what they hate, that just ain't me. Tell me a place that I can't go. I don't think they get it, they don't Yeah, so the X bass button definitely gives you the missing bass you need at the higher volume. So, and I could definitely feel the difference, especially I can feel the vibration on the desk when I put my my arms down. Let's do a quick comparison with this, with the tiny version of this. So this is StormBox Micro, and this is a StormBox Pro. But this thing, like, just look at the sizes of these two. This thing, for its size, this also put out some really good volume and bass as well. Eyes on the money like a rubber band. Tell me when I follow his command. You can try it, you won't get a chance. I keep on going till I can, and abiding by his plan. They tryna end me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking and getting out of space. It's best if you stay in your place. So the biggest advantage you get from the speaker like this, it is very clear you have the separation of the highs and lows because it's a 2.1 versus I think this just has a single driver in this thing. But like I said, for the size of this thing, do not underestimate this if you cannot or do not want to pay this much for this. But this is with the X bass technology and the fact that you can pair this. I wish I would have a second one so I can check it out for you guys, but very, very impressive. So I'm going to put the link to the website if you want to get more information. Definitely check it out. I got so excited about how good this thing sounded. I forgot to share a couple of more pieces of information that is important to know. Number one, this thing weighs 980 grams. Siri, convert 980 grams to pound.
The answer is 2.16 pounds.
You can also use this as a power bank. So back here, when you open this flap, you have a USB Type-C, which is to charge this, and you have a USB Type-A that is an out port. So if you want to charge your phone, your watch, whatever else, you can use this as a power bank as well. As always, if you got any feedback, let me know. Hopefully you found this video useful, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like.